Hello guys, welcome to CeoFix channel. If you wanna watch more video like this, always stay subscribed. Prevents users from changing the sound scheme. Sounds and visuals are two of the most important aspects in every Windows 10 machine. It would also be a boring thing if the Windows OS didn't have sounds that play automatically during certain events. If you want manage sound scheme in your Windows 10, you can directly right-click on sound icon and select sounds. There are many ways in accessing the section. One of the easiest method in accessing the sound scheme settings in Windows 10 is by searching for it using the search feature. You can also use Settings application to adjust the sound effects, open Settings, and click on the personalization icon. Click on the themes from the left sidebar. Then click Sounds. Windows comes with a bunch of themes, and they use the Windows default sound scheme, if you are not comfortable with the provided sound schemes. You can change specific system sounds in Windows. Sounds such as chimes, beeps, buzzes. For example, when you press an invalid key in a program, connect a new device to your computer, or when an error occurs. If you want to prevent the sound scheme settings can be changed by the user, follow the steps. We have coded a script to make your job easier. Just download the soundtab.zip file at the end of the page, password, CeoFix, and unzip it. Then simply double-click on the soundtab.zip.vb file. Confirm the user account control dialog if prompted. It will show a pop-up window with the text Sounds tab has been removed from Sound Properties window. Just click OK button. Tips. First click will remove Sounds tab. Second click will added Sounds tab. Okay. That's all. Please subscribe CeoFix channel. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and you can comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.